Daddy, how are roads made?
Roads are built layer by layer, just like making a cake. For example, the roadbed is like the base of a cake. It is the foundation of the entire road. Before paving begins, bulldozers and motor graders level and smooth the roadbed. With 3D grading technology, they achieve higher leveling accuracy. Then, a single drum roller thoroughly compacts the leveled roadbed to create a strong foundation. Next, we build the gray semi-rigid base course, which is like the filling layer inside the cake. The stabilized materials mixed by the soil stabilizing plant are even placed onto the roadbed by a paver. After paving, a single drum roller performs efficient compaction to ensure the required density and strength of the base course. After completing the roadbed and base course, it is time to add the cream layer of the cake, the surface course, which is the familiar black asphalt pavement. At the asphalt mixing plant, aggregates, mineral powder, and asphalt binder are thoroughly mixed to produce a uniform asphalt mixture. The asphalt mixture is then transported by insulated trucks to the paver, where it is evenly laid to form the pavement surface. Although the pavement has been laid flat, it still needs to withstand years of weather exposure and heavy traffic. Therefore, tandem rollers and pneumatic tire rollers work together to complete the compaction process. Through initial compaction, intermediate compaction, and final compaction, the pavement finally achieves the optimal compaction effect. All these processes can now be controlled by XCMG intelligent construction technology, smart brain of road construction. Through intelligent and digital technologies, equipment can achieve precise and coordinated construction. And that is how a smooth and durable and asphalt road is built. However, after years of service, pavement defects such as ruts and cracks may appear. At that point, a road milling machine is needed to remove the damaged pavement before a new layer is paved.
Oh, so that's how roads are made.
That's right, but it is much easier said than done. Building and maintaining a road is a complex and meaningful task. Behind every road are the wisdom and hard work of countless people in research and development, manufacturing, sales, construction, and service, making safe and convenient travel possible for everyone.
One day, I also want to become a road builder and contribute my own efforts to the development of global transportation.